I'm gonna cook some good Jamaican curry chicken. Of course, my main ingredients is the chicken. Here is it. It's all washed and cleaned. I've also diced it up, cut it up. You know, there's no specific way of doing it. You can just cut it up however you want it. People do it differently. People might just do it in quarters, but I like to dice it up just like as you see there in some nice square pieces. That's how I do it. My other ingredients, I have red, green and yellow pepper. I have a leek, I have a white onion, I have a red onion, garlic, I have ginger, I have some green chilies, I have some spring onions here. Of course, my Scotch bonnet pepper. Love to cook with Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, Scotch bonnet pepper is quite an interesting vegetable or fruit, which are nutritional value, things like vitamin C, vitamin A, it has iron, vitamin B, it also fights cancer. Bonnet pepper contains capsaicin, which have been revealed by researchers to be capable of preventing and blocking the growth of cancer cells. So see, if you never use Scotch bonnet pepper before, I suggest why not try it out. Right, so my wet ingredients, this is some jerk sauce paste, and then for my dry ingredients I have some jerk sauce, some jerk seasoning, some paprika, some black pepper, some ginger and some salt. So additionally, I'm going to use some turmeric powder as well, but I'm not going to use that now. Once I start to cook the chicken, then you see how I do. A lot of people may just add it to the meat now, but I don't do that really. I sort of just throw it in some hot oil and let it sort of fry until it's almost burning. Then I add the meat to it. But you see what I'll do tomorrow. So all my ingredients in the chicken at the moment. All of these green ingredients. My hands are clean, so I can just scrape everything out. Now, for the purposes of this video, all that I've chopped some up already, so that this so the video is not too long. So I'm just gonna add everything inside here now. This has a really lovely smell already, and it hasn't been cooked yet. Rub everything together. Now completed, and I'll just leave it to marinate for maybe tomorrow or the following day, and then this will be ready. I can tell at the moment this has a really nice smell. So it has been 48 hours since I've seasoned up my chicken for my authentic Jamaican curry chicken. So I'm just gonna start to cook now. I'm just gonna add some olive oil in the pan. I don't want really a lot of olive oil, not a lot, because chicken itself has natural oils. And as I said to you, as I mentioned earlier, I didn't add the curry to the meat. So here I have some turmeric, which I've grated. This bit here, and this is some curry powder. So what I'm gonna do is just to add all of this in the pan with the hot oil and let it sort of fry until it's almost burning. Then I'll add my chicken. This is my personal choice really. Some people like to just add the curry to the meat and then just cook it from there, but this is how I like to do it if I'm cooking curry. So yeah, so this is the curry powder and some turmeric. As you can see, gives a nice smell as well. If given the choice, I'll probably just use just the natural turmeric, but I only end up could find a small piece, and it's very difficult to get at the shop. So as you can see here now, I'm just giving a nice little stir until it's almost burning. Then I'm going to add the chicken. As you can see now, the curry powder and the turmeric, the grated turmeric, is now in the pot for a while. I've been frying. So what I'm going to do at this stage is just to add the chicken to it. I'm just going to put everything in and sort of spread it out nice and even, and then I'll give it a few minutes and then try to turn them over on the other side. I don't want any juice to go inside the pot at this point, because there's a bit of juice there which I'll still use anyway, but I'm just getting everything in the pot. One of the things I've done, I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier, is when I'm cooking chicken, on most occasions I'll probably just remove the skin. It's my personal choice again, you don't have to do it, but you know what, a lot of people will tell you that skin has a lot of flavor, or the chicken skin has a lot of flavor, but it's my preference just to remove the skin. As you can see now, the flame is not too high. I'm just gonna maybe turn it down a little bit low. I'll give it a few more minutes, then the remaining onions and sweet peppers and all of that, I'm just gonna add it and just turn it down and let it just slowly cook. As you can see, my chicken is cooking nicely. You know, the chicken produces natural juices and all of that, so but that will slowly thicken down and thicken up. But yeah, going very well so far. Has a nice, you know, color. So I'll also add some potato and carrot in this as well. Once it's cooked a little bit more and close to get ready. And again, this is just my personal choice. You don't have to do it. As you can see here, yeah, that's a nice gravy. Smells really great. Cooking down nicely. So I'll add some potato and some carrot later. My curry chicken is almost cooked. As you can see, it's just simmering down. Look at how rich the gravy is. It's thickening up. My curry chicken is now cooked, ready to be eaten. I've already dished out mine. So let's go and have a taste, see how it goes. I'm just gonna taste this lovely curry chicken now. As you can see, the meat is well cooked. Let me get some of the gravy and some of the rice. Wow, this is really lovely. Of course, what I've done is just to cook some white rice, and I've added some green peas and chickpea in the rice because I just think just rice alone is just boring. It goes lovely with this curry. Curry sauce is very thick. Yeah. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.